So Fatima wants to invest some money in a savings account. She's picked up leaflets from two building societies. We've got the Banai account and the Aliri account. And it says then, by comparing AERs, which account will offer Fatima the better interest rate on her investment? You must show all your working. So you can see here, I've written down, right, the formula for AER, which is on page 2, right, of your formula list. Okay, so it gets given to you. And it's important that you recognize what these letters mean. Yeah? So the I is the nominal, okay, interest rate, given as a decimal, okay, so you've got to write as a decimal. And then N is the number of compounding periods, okay. So let's focus on Banai to start with. Now the nominal interest rate, okay, is 3.85%, okay. Now we've got to write it as a decimal, yeah, because I has got to be as a decimal. So 3.85% as a decimal. Now you can probably do this straight away, can't you? But you know, you can always just double check on your calculator to make sure you're getting this right, yeah, because 3.85%, obviously it's a fraction out of 100, so divide that by 100 and just check on your calculator in the exam just to make sure you're doing it right, and you get then 0.0385 as a decimal, okay, so that's what I is, isn't it? Okay, we can do the same for LRE as well, so you've got 3.86%, okay, so that'll be 3.86 divided by 100. So the I in that case then will be 0.0386. Okay. Now for Banai, it says interest is paid monthly. Okay. So the number of compounding periods, well, you paid every month interest, it compounds 12 times, yeah, 12 times in a month. And for Aleri, it will be, well, it's every 6 months. So there's only 2 interest payments there, isn't there? Every 6 months. It's halfway through the year and at the end of the year. So we've got our values now, so you simply just need to work out the AER for both of them. Okay, so the AER here will be, well, 1 plus then the I, which is 0.0385, divide by 12, number of periods, the power 12, take away 1. Okay, so I can work that out on my calculator, all in one go. So 1 plus fraction 0.0385 over 12, close the bracket to the power 12 then, take away 1. So I get out then 0.0391, okay, 8. We'll just write a few decimals down, it's worth doing that. And then that's as a decimal, right? So we change it to a percentage because it makes more sense to have it as a percentage. Like they've given us the nominal rate as percentage, don't they? So times is 100 then, because you've got to remember the AER formula supplies a decimal. So we get 3.92%. Okay, so 2 decimal places should be enough now to compare the difference. So if we go then to the other one, Larry, we get 1 plus, so very similar, 0.0386 over 2, the power 2, take away 1. So if I type that in, I get out 0.038972, times that by 100, so I get 3.897, yeah, so that'll be 3.90%, rounded to 2 decimal places. So you can see then, okay, which one is better. Okay, so clearly there, Banai is better because it does, the AER is slightly better, isn't it? 0.02% better each year. Okay, for investment. Okay.